My name is Seung. I'm from Korea, Seoul, and yeah, I live in here, working on my own practice, making art installations and sculptures and paintings.
I'm Jeff Nusz. I'm a programmer and interactive artist and game developer and whatever else comes along. For this installation of Rain, we've created a new keyboard made, what is it, like 2 meters split into two, so it's like a 6 meter long keyboard of arcade buttons spread across the room. So it's not just you, it's you and 6 strangers banging away and creating rain and chaos. Seung made these drawings of how he wanted it to look with these birds and these elephants and these chaos, and I was like, okay, so how do we make this? How do we make these birds? And
I draw them first, and I started making them because they need to be 3-dimensional and it shows its movement. It would be better if, it would be a different story if I be able to draw them, but I'm not that skilled, so I decided to just make it out of clay, and it was something a bit more hand-on as well.
And so we wanted to create an experience that people would lose themselves and forget themselves and just maybe start to play like a child or just create a bit of chaos.
Interactivity can be from any degrees of interaction is going on all around, but it's I think interactivity is suggestion that you can experience in physical way, but within this computer screen, it's limited, but way more beyond physicality, so it opens up even further of what's actually possible to be experienced. Yeah.